customers, clients, consumers, and other people that associate with the business may find this not reasonable, and for that reason they can decide to part ways with the company, and as such the company may start losing revenue or will have to close down. Another reason business can fail is where they lose their major raw material suppliers. The loss of major raw materials needed for its operation. When the raw materials needed for production or operation of the business is no longer available, then the company will actually fold up. Another one is complying with the order of the court through an application by the creditors or debenture holder of the company. That is, they can wind up by court order. By court order to close down. When the court made pronouncement or judgment that the company should fold up, then they would have to fold up, probably when the company is having insolvency or they are not able to meet their obligations to the debenture holders or creditors as they fall due, then it would have to fold up. Another reason business